Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 8th, 2023. Here to talk about Palantir today because when you see articles, we got to understand that these articles are only created to instill some type of emotion in you, either to get you to buy the stock or sell it. All right. So you guys can see this article right here from Bloomberg. And the title of it reads, Palantir downgraded by Morgan Stanley on overdone AI optimism. Okay. So now, automatically your mind goes into some type of motion and so, well, if that's the case, if this financial institution, Morgan Stanley, goes through and downgrades the stock, then I must have to come through and also sell as well, or at least anticipate price not going higher, right? This article from Bloomberg was released, let me see if I can get that off of here, August the 31st, 2023. Here it is, September the 8th. So August the 31st, this is where the price in Palantir was trading. Okay. Market ended the day down, 8.25%. But look at what price has done since that time, right? Has the market in Palantir continued to go lower? Or is it maintaining its integrity, its price, its support? Yes, it has. So who cares what one business is downgrading? The overall market is more important than Morgan Stanley alone. Maybe Morgan Stanley is going to be on the wrong side of the market currently. But usually they give you 12 months price targets on their downgrade. So maybe this is just a momentary support area in Palantir before the market continues to go lower in price. But as of right now, this chart in Palantir is definitely showing that the overall market in Palantir is still bullish. Or if anything, it's stable. It's definitely showing a lot of stability ever since we did our price prediction here on August the 18th and 19th. We did an update on the 28th. Still anticipate the market to go down. And it did go down, but I mean, look at this. Even from yesterday's price action, the market initially did go down in Palantir and it overcame all that selling and it ended up closing on the high of the bar. So what do you guys think? So we anticipate the price in Palantir to continue to go higher? And if so, how high should we look for it to go? Let's talk about it real quick and then I'll let you all go. So let me get rid of this. And we're going to get rid of this price prediction here because like I said, I do see strength into the market in Palantir. If you guys didn't get any of the profit from the 24th of August and the 25th, I get it. That's why you got to understand there's going to be times when you have to pull the trigger and actually get in and get out your position because there's no guarantee that it'll come back to those particular prices. All right, so let's get rid of that 5.6362%. And I do like the recent price action though. We've already confirmed that buyers are holding price in Palantir. Now, I'm not going to be drastically bullish though, okay? Because I do see that there are some areas to where sellers would definitely impact Palantir's price, namely right there around $16. Okay. I'm just giving you all a heads up. Be prepared for the price in Palantir to not go above $16 because it held support at the end of July. It was holding support at 16 then. Price cratered through there and now it's bouncing back up at 16 as resistance. So don't question, don't wonder why price in Palantir is not able to go above 16 because that will be the reason. Because sellers are there. There's more sellers or more emphasis of selling at that price than there are people willing to buy it at that price. Okay, so I do like the 2-day time frame right here, especially in the next 9 hours 55 minutes. Okay, yeah, give me that time because if the market in Palantir looks the way that looks right now in the 2-day, then yeah, I'm looking for the price to go up. Here it is on the 3-day chart. The market did overcome the selling over the last 3 days. It doesn't mean that we're out the woods yet. It just shows that the overall market is still under the premise that price is cheap, is at a discount at these levels. Here it is on the 5. Here's Palantir on the week. Okay, like I said, on the 2-day time frame, same thing on the weekly. 9 hours 55 minutes. Give me that time because if the market in Palantir closes at the high of this weekend bar, then this stock is definitely still bullish. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to play the strength into the market Palantir. My first target is going to be around See, when I look at this on 330-minute chart, you guys can actually see the tops of the market may actually be here, like at 1563. I'm just saying. Okay, but let me go ahead and do this real quick. Give you my price targets, and I'll let you go. Now, as long as the market in Palantir for me still holds $13.66 as support, then we still run under the auspice that price is going to at least consolidate and continue to trade within this range. Okay, that's if it, even if we see market fall down to around 1366, if it doesn't crater below that, then we understand that this market buyers are still here, just like they were at these time periods. Once we do see price break $13.66, those buyers are no longer there, and we definitely need to look forward to price taking a bigger move to the downside in Palantir, like maybe around like 1250 to even 1170. So definitely keep your eyes open on that move. Okay, first target, like I said, is around 16 right here, which is a 5% move to the upside there. Definitely, if I don't see the market in Palantir break above 16, that might just be the one target we're able to get out of this move. My second target is going to be a little bit lower than 17, like 1690. That's 10.83% there. So real tight, not expecting too much in terms of a massive move to the upside in Palantir. And then after that, we might get that downgrade that Morgan Stanley was talking about. Just saying. But go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Welcome everyone to the channel. This is what I do. I drop price predictions in an easy fashion. It's not hard. I'm not making it complicated. We simply pay attention to what the overall market is doing rather than being focused on one article, rather than being focused on what one individual has to say about a particular business or one particular business, i.e. Morgan Stanley downgrading the stock. Because what about the other businesses? Was there any other businesses that upgraded Palantir? Like, why wasn't that not in the forefront either? Why does media try to instill some type of negative aspect to the stock market? I tell you why. Because it increases emotion and clicks. This is what the world has always been run on. Propaganda. But the only way that you can really eradicate propaganda off the stock market is by simply looking at the charts. Because everyone's thoughts, everyone's research is literally here in front of us right now, off the chart. Because everyone's perceptions, even Morgan Stanley, even some other business that upgraded Palantir, is all here right now. And it looks to me that the greater probability where price is trying to go, at least now, is higher. But give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.